In this video, I will show you how to check your Spotify listening hours. First, launch open the Spotify app, log into your account. Now tap on the search icon, then tap on the search bar. Here you want to search Wrapped. Type Wrapped or Spotify Wrapped and search for that. During the annual Spotify Wrapped release, you'll be able to see your listening statistics, including your total listening time, top artists, top songs, and other personalized insights. If Spotify Wrapped isn't currently available, Spotify does not provide a built-in way to view your total listening hours for previous year outside the Wrapped period. However, you can still estimate how much time you have spent using Spotify by going to your settings. Launch Setting app on your device. Now, look for Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, or you can simply search Screen Time. Now, go to Screen Time. Here, tap on View All, then tap on the search bar and search Spotify. Go ahead and select that. Now, check out the app usage detail, and here you will see how much time you have spent using Spotify app over the selected period of time. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.